This is me. And this is my buddy Jake. He recently bought a house in Austin and is renovating it completely. I'm going to show you the plan, what he did, and how much money he's going to make from it. Let's get it.
Yes, the plan is, house hasn't been touched since '83, so everything's getting gutted. So this wall separating the living room and the kitchen is going to come out. All these upper cabinets are going to get removed. The fridge is going here in place of where this pantry is. And we're going to have a 10.5-foot island that runs from here out another 24 inches here with a waterfall edge on both sides. Indecisive if we want to keep this bad boy or not. Living room, going to keep it open, really light, new fireplace. And that's going to be white plaster, so really like California, Santa Barbara vibe. Really want this house to feel like a rich tech couple from San Francisco moved up to like wine country and built a little bungalow house for themselves. A big TV mounted on the wall here, so we're going to have all the electricals run. Primary bedroom
size
is, oh, shocked.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so bad.
It's actually a really good size primary bathroom. I'm going to square these off. Is move this doorway out by about 1 foot, and what that will solve is this little problem. I guess they got a new toilet and didn't think to measure. So this closet's going to get a bit smaller. Get rid of this linen closet and put a door here, which currently wraps around. This is going to get blown out by about 3 feet, so you're going to have a really big walk-in closet. So you've got a custom double vanity coming with a Taj Mahal polished quartzite counter. Previous owner was like had a camera and like watching on the mantle. Just 3 cameras out front and this inside. First thing I did the day it closed was rip that out. Change in the guest bedrooms, just floors, baseboards, popcorn ceilings, and we're going to smooth the walls out and remove all this crow's feet texture. We got new windows coming for the whole house, and actually both guest bedrooms have walk-in closets. A lot of storage in this house. Guest bathroom, we're going to do a slate herringbone floor. We're using the same black soapstone that we have in the kitchen is going to be used here. We've got a 45-foot slab. We're gonna do something out here. Board and batten siding around the whole house. And we're gonna do this white blanched color from Magnolia with a darker trim. In the front of the house, anywhere that we have brick is gonna be stuccoed.
Nice.
So it's gonna be stucco and board and batten. So it'll be like a little more modern farmhouse feel. It won't be as traditional farmhouse that you're seeing in Austin. This is the greenhouse, man. Green outside, green carpet, green garage, ceiling fan, and no garage door opener. Yeah, literally just set on here like that.
No, you're not even gonna make it through.
Don't think so?
No, try.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
No gas line there. What I should maybe do is we should score it right here.
How old is that? Look at that top.
There's a year on it.
Dude, that's like collector's item.
Dallas, Texas. Thing hasn't seen the light of day since '83. $50 is you want to drink out of it.
Dude, there's probably nothing in it.
Probably should cut in the middle. It'd be too heavy to roll up in.
I've literally never done concrete before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. Outside.
comes up easy. This is like really, yeah.
I think that door's gonna have to come out. Minute left. We can't convert on third down, and so we try to take a 56-yard field goal in the rain. Ball's good. Hits the upright, bounces off. We lose.
No way.
Last second.
Yeah, give it to Kristen for we get. Just smash it.
That's the electrical panel. So we be careful.
Alright, we found out the electrical box is okay. Just popped a few of them off. So all is good. Hello, welcome to the house. As you can tell, all this work has already been done, and it looks pretty great. Let's just take a little walkthrough on what he's already done. It's looking pretty good. And we got the master bedroom. How's it going in here?
We're done. I think.
Time to sell the house?
Blood, sweat. No tears yet. Almost.
Almost. Yeah, that electrical.
That's how the project goes back from 2,800 to 6,000.
Hello there. Welcome to a day in the life of Mama Beans. And Buddy Beans. Hey, Buddy Beans. And other Buddy Beans. Right there. Alright, we got a fun project today. Not really a project. We're going to check out a buddy's project, which he just finished remodeling / renovating. So we are going to go and head over there. But I gotta open up my gate first, manually. If you're curious about mighty mule gates and the problems with them, I have a video that you should go and check out on my profile.
Do you just leave it open, or could you leave it open?
Alright, we made it to the house. Well, I'm actually leaving now, but I'll show you inside and talk about it a little bit. Alrighty. looks good back there.
Getting there.
Did you put anything on it?
Nope.
The grass?
Literally
Yeah.
just once.
Nice.
I mean, we've got a lawn.
We got mowed, but
Yeah, well,
Yeah. Hey, that's pretty good. Alrighty, we made it back from the trip back to the house. I'm gonna jump inside so we can talk about this beautiful house and some of the key features of it and how much money they probably will make. Alrighty, you just saw the walkthrough of my buddy's old place into the new place, and it's been a few weeks since then, and they already sold it. I think they sold it within the week. And so here are some numbers. They bought the property for around $500,000, and this is in the middle of Austin, South Central, a little bit west, I think. And the properties over there are insane. They bought that place for $500,000, but it's a small, outdated 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. But the neighborhood is pretty nice. There's just a lot of money in that area. So they bought it and then they got straight to work, putting in a lot of time and effort into renovating the house. I don't know how much they exactly put into the house. I heard a number, he mentioned around $100,000. And so let's just say, for the sake of easy math, $500,000 to buy the house, $100,000 to renovate it. He did a lot of work himself. He paid some people to come and do work like plumbing and electrical, but there wasn't a ton of that work, so it wasn't that expensive. Before they put their house up for sale for listing, there was another house that was like catty-cornered to them that did a bunch of renovations, similar setup, and they sold for a little bit less than $1 million. I think 9 to 950, something like that. So when they listed for, I think, 850, and I'm not too sure what they ended up selling for. Say they ended up selling for $900,000 for this house. So $500,000 plus another 100, that's $600,000 plus 6 months of work, and you sell it for $900,000 and you get $300,000. That is a pretty good return on your money for 6 months of work. Now, I don't know the exact numbers for that, but even if they sold it for $800,000, you still get $200,000 out of that for 6 months of work. And that's a pretty great investment. So if you enjoy home DIY like this, buy a home, or try to find some money to invest into a home and then put in a little bit more money to fix it up and sell it. Make sure your market where you live is popping like it is in Austin. Location is super important. And if you don't want to renovate and sell, you could always do it up a little bit and then lease it out and get people to live there, and then you can have that monthly income. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Shout out to Jake for letting me use some of this footage to make a video and show y'all what he did and how cool it is. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Make sure you hit that subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video, and I'll see you out there. Alrighty.